the Fidget gods spoke to me yesterday, and they told me I had to save the universe from an evil entity. And the only way I could do that was with this. With this powerful weapon, I will defeat the evil entity and make this a world for fidget spinners to live in. As long as this spinner is with me, it'll protect me from the evil entity, and I can use it as a weapon. Now where is he? Stay back, I have the fidget spinner. Whoa, how are we gonna get over this? Fidget spinner, can you help me? Can you help me, fidget spinner, to get across this? Here, we'll let you do everything. Whoa! Whoa! Thanks, fidget spinner. You really are a powerful weapon, aren't you? It's an evil droid. It's one of the entity's henchmen. They're the people who want to destroy fidget spinners. What should we do, Fidgy? What's that? We should destroy him. Okay then, if you say so. Hi-ya! Thanks, Fidgy. What was that? Stay back, I have a fidget spinner. Whoa! Who's that?
Hey, you gotta help us.
Yeah, we're being tracked down by the evil fidget spinner god to destroy us.
Yeah, do you think you can help us?
I don't know. What do you think, Fidgy? Okay, I guess we'll help them then. You can do. Oh, what's happening?
I harness the power of the cosmic fidget spinners.
It's so powerful. And I harness the power of the white privilege fidget spinners. Whoa! Just kidding, I'm just a little fidget spinner.
Yes, but with our three powers combined, we could save the universe.
I think you're, you know what? I think you're right, Cosme. Let's go save the world and protect it from the evil fidget spinner god. What? Fidgy says we should go this way. What, this way? I guess we could try. Yes, I said something coming from this way. Okay, Fidgy, if you say so. Alright, right across this bridge, Fidgy. Let's see.
Wait,
Fidgy, what is it?
stay here. I sense something.
Okay, if you say so.
Where is it? Well, I guess it's nothing.
Okay, Fidgy. Wait a second. You hear that?
I'm picking up something.
Well, come on, Fidgy, let's go. There might be more henchmen. Wait a second. I sense something too. Whoa, Whitey, you sense something too? What could it be? Here, I should have Cosme help me out. Hey, Cosme, can you help me out?
I'm sensing something coming from over here.
Whoa, Cosme, where are you taking me? Oh my god, whoa. Whoa, Cosme, slow down. Oh. Cosme, what is this place?
It's the shrine of the evil fidget spinner lord.
My god, Cosme, you have to help me fight this. Whoa.
We all have to help you fight this.
You're absolutely right, Cosme. Spinners assemble. Alright, now that we have the team back together, we need to fight to save the fidget spinner universe. What's that, Fidgy? What, you want to take me somewhere? Where?
Oh, Fidgy, calm down. Whoa.
What the hell? This is where the fidget spinners were, weren't they? This is where they all got destroyed, right? Right, Fidgy? Oh god, we gotta assemble the team. We gotta get everyone to fight this. Guys, before we go back out there, we need a plan. Alright, let's start with Cosme. What's your plan?
I say we sneak up on him from behind, and then we attack him before he even knows what hit him.
Okay, what about you, Whitey? I say we should just run away. Oh no, that's a terrible idea, Whitey. Well, what about you, Fidgy? What's your idea?
We should attack him hands on.
You're absolutely right, Fidgy. But I need a weapon, and you're the one with blades on you. so you should work. Alright, Fidget, let's move out. Alright, Fidget, let's move out. What? Fidget, what do you mean he's here? I don't see anything. Fidget, what are you saying? No, it can't be true. How many fidget spinners died here, Fidget?
17,000? Oh, God!
Fidget, what are you saying? Fidget, God. I think we just found the Dark Master. What do we have to do, Fidget? Do we have to fight him? If you say so, Fidget. Let's go. Your time is up, Dark Lord. It's time to hand over. It's time to hand over the Fidget crystals so we can save the universe. Get back here, Fidget. Go.
Oh, God, Fidget, no! It's
Finish him! You're fucking fast. But Fidget, you're not going to escape, Fidget. That's right, we've got you cornered now, bitch. God damn it. Oh, shit. Fuck. We've got you cornered now, shit. What kind of attack was that? Fidget, what kind of special powers does he have?
No, that's too powerful. We can't fight it.
But we can still try. We can't do that. Wait, what do you mean secret attack, Fidget? You have a secret move that you can only use once? Every 2 hours? Well, Fidget, why didn't you tell me about this? Well, then we have to use it right now.
Fidget, go!
Whoa. Look how fast he's spinning. We defeated him.
The fidget spinners are safe now, Fidget! Did you hear that? The fidget spinners are saved!
So with the universe saved, Fidget, Cosme, Whitey, they all went on other wacky adventures in the fidget sphere.
Gary, now I know I was wrong. I messed up and now you're gone. Gary, I'm sorry I neglected you. Oh, I never expected you to run away and leave me feeling this empty. Your meow right now would sound like me